YouTube.
Yes. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you. Hi everyone. So we have just started our journey back to Kolkata from Kalimpong. This is what we got, a gesture of good luck for our drive home. Google Maps says I'll reach home at 4 o'clock in the morning. Both of us, we have our work tomorrow, so it's going to be a tough day today and tomorrow as well. So let's see, we will try to put in as less breaks as possible, and other than that, the room, so Suits Garden Retreat was very nice, apart from the fact that they have some serious water problem. I have not been to Kalimpong before. I don't know if this is the normal thing that should be, I mean that's there in all the hotels in Kalimpong. But first we stayed on the topmost room, which is A1, topmost in the sense on first floor. That was a double room, and there barely there was any water from the geyser. So the first night we spent almost with hot water from the electric kettle. We complained, finally we got into a ground floor room yesterday, which they call the suite, and then it was a bit better, but still it could have been, I expected a lot better, because the previous one that we stayed in at Karsiong, the Nirvana retreat, that had absolutely no problems. We had continuous water, hot water, and did not face any problem. Now this is a overly crowded place, so must have been, I mean most of the places might be like this. The reason that we got from the Suits management was their tank, water tank is downstairs, and that's why there's not much pressure. But with a baby, it's really tough. We had a hard time with the water. Apart from that, you can see the Kanchenjunga from the room, almost from your bed. Rooms are big, spacious. There's enough in terms of space and facilities. Their food is also quite good. We did not have any problems with the food. So overall, okay. But having paid close to 5,000 bucks a night, I expected the water to be good as well. Right now we are taking the route of Shevok through Siliguri, and then the Botolbari Road, the Dalkhola bypass, Malda bypass, and then SH7 through Khargham to Bardhaman to Kolkata. So let's see how far we can make up the time, how fast can we reach. Until then, keep enjoying this hill roads. These are some best stretch of tarmacs I've seen on the hills, like I said earlier as well. I have been to the other side of North Bengal through Sikkim, and then to Himachal, but these are some best stretches of roads in the hills that I could think of. I expected much worse. So till we stop next, let's see how much time we can do. So the ride update is it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We have been able to cross Siliguri just now. The entire Siliguri traffic was horrible, and now we have stopped at this Guras Hotel and Family Restaurant. Little bit of refreshment, change of diaper for the baby, and then we would be off to directly to Kolkata again. I don't know when we will reach Kolkata. I'll try to do it in 10 hours by 1 o'clock at night, maybe 2 o'clock, maybe later. I really don't know. So it's going to be a hectic ride ahead. Let's see. The baby is holding on fine till now, so hopefully it would be better. I'll take the Malda bypass, and I think from Morgram I'll take the Bardhaman road, not NH34 via Krishnanagar. So let's see. We will try to speed up after this. Maybe couple of breaks after this to home. So update is it's about 4:45. We started at 3:15 from Matigala. We are now almost at Dalkola. Did not take the Botolbari route. Saw a couple of NBSTC buses and other taxis not taking it. So I also avoided. I have heard a lot about some illegal stuff happening out there post sunset, and also I did not want to get through that bad road, 60 kilometers of bad road and bad surface. It doesn't seem that Dalkola would be too much of a problem right now. I just decided that if it's 15-20 minutes, I'll just stay on. This place, Maruti Palace, this is right after Kishanganj, so stopped here. Did not get any tea or coffee. They don't have tea or coffee now, so just getting some bio breaks and we would be gone in 5-6 minutes, 10 minutes max. Finally, we crossed Dalkola after some little congestion. Took the same route through Morgram, but this time I followed a few buses and came through Krishnanagar instead of Bardhaman, which later turned out to be a bad decision because the road from Krishnanagar to right up to Kolkata airport was very, very bad. But other than that, overall it was a lovely trip. The hospitality and the ambience of Nirvana retreat, then the lovely road from Kurseong to Kalimpong, and then the send-off from the Suits Garden retreat, the way they paid respect. This trip is such a memorable one, and more so with the tremendous support that I got from my wife and my 1-year-old daughter. It will be etched in our memories for long, and I hope all of you also had fun watching it. And thank you so much for your time. Please show your love with likes, shares, and stay safe. Keep traveling.